Good morning students. Last class I teach you the idea of functional group. Today I am going to teach you classifications of functional group. So you are having 8 functional groups and more than you are having, but the 8 is very important. In that 8 today I am going to teach you 7 functional groups. So let's we start with first functional group, hydroxyl group. That is the first functional group. That formula is OH. That one end with sound OL. You see that one, that sound end with OL. So I write one example, ROH. That ROH, that R represent your hydrocarbons. That is CH3, CH2, like that you can write. Otherwise we call it as, that is the alkali group. And then that OH, that O having partial negative charge and that H having partial positive charge. So I write two example, ethanol. You see ethanol, that hydrocarbons attached with OH, and then propanol also you are having 3 carbons and then it end with OH. The second one is carboxylic acid. You know the formula, acid COOH. That COOH attached with your alkali group. You see here you are having OH group as well as keto group, but it is not in separate form. Already I told you OH is a functional group, but it is not activating separately in your carboxylic acid. That whole term, that is COOH is a acid, that is only a functional group. Here we can't separate that OH and COO. So you don't get confused. Here you are having OH, it is a functional group like that, not like that. COOH is a functional group. So it is also attached to your hydrocarbons, that CH3 COOH, ethanoic acid. The sound is end with IOC, ethanoic acid. And second one, propanoic acid, that is CH3 CH2 COOH. You see here ethanoic acid, that is ethane means 2 carbon, so acid already having that 1 carbon and then remaining CH3 COOH. And then propanoic acid also same thing, 3 carbons, that is a propane having 3 carbons. Here the acid contains that 1 C, so we write it as CH3 CH2 COOH. The third one, ethers. Ethers, the formula of ether is ROR dash. That is, I forgot to write that one, ROR dash. So oxygen between 2 definite carbons. The 2 R group represent alkali or aryl group. Aryl group and alkali group is nothing but carbon. The name end with ether. So I write example as dimethyl ether. So you see the 2 carbon in between you are having oxygen. And then same ethyl ether also. First one methyl CH3O and then CH2 CH3. So this is also one of the functional group. And then fourth one is ketone. You see ketone, in your acid you are having ketone, that is COOH. So here also you are having ketone, but it is not a functional group. It is attached with OH. Yes, it is called it as what? Acid. It is one of the functional group. We are not take it as a here ketone as a functional group. That ketone is attached with your hydrocarbons, that only it represent the functional group. Ketone as a functional group. Yes, that a name end with one. So example is acetone. So next to fifth one, aldehyde. So see here also ketone group you are having, but it is attached with hydrogen. So aldehyde formula is CHO and the rest of the portion is attached with alkali group, that is R. Yes, So this is end with AL sound. So example is ethanol. So you see ethanol, CHO, that CHO attached with one alkali group. And then second one is propanol, CH3, CH2, COH. And then sixth one is ester. You see ester, in that ester also we are having ketone group and then one oxygen group, that is COO, that is end with sound OATE, 8. Methyl ethanoate and propyl ethanoate. That COO is only a functional group. Here also you are having ketone, but that ketone is attached with your oxygen. That is one of the, that is we call it as ester. Suppose that COO is attached with two alkali group, means that is a ester. Okay, wow. So in your carboxylic acid, that ketone is attached with water, OH. So COOH, that is a acid. And then second one, it is separately COO, that is only ketone, we call it as a functional group. And then third one, aldehyde. Aldehyde is attached with, that is ketone is attached with hydrogen, and another one attachment is alkali. So here aldehyde, that is CHO, is a functional group. And then third one, ester. So you see COO is a functional group, the sound is end with OATE. And then the last one, amine. You see amine. Amine is a nitrogen, it comes under nitrogen group. It is abbreviated as nitrogen, NH2. The sound end with amine. So example is CH3, CH2, NH2. And then propylamine also same thing. It is look like a hydroxyl group. You see in ethanol also we are getting two carbon atoms and then OH, that is CH3, CH2, OH. And then here also you get, instead of OH we are writing NH2 group. So nitrogen also we call it as NH2 group. So that's all. So this is the 7 main important functional groups. So further classes I will teach you remaining functional groups. Thank you.